Hi guys, so I received this review digital voice recorder for recording purposes, and I think it's a really nice voice recorder because first it comes this, as you can see, it's very small, very slim, very practical. Comes with many attachments like a audio jack for using it with some other stuff, some lavalier to use it, record yourself, or some headphones to use after you finished your voice recording and listen what you're recording. Okay, here in these parts we have all the buttons and what they do: the noise cancellation activation, the down and up in the menu, the volume down and volume up. Here you can connect the headphones and hear the microphone and the on and off switch, and here obviously the Type-C charging port, which is very practical. Okay, so let's turn it on. As you can see, I'm gonna put on the recorder, select it. So right now it's recording, as you can see. So I'm just gonna give it some times, and what I like is that it highlights which of the microphones it is using to record your voice, which is really practical. And if you wanna pause or play the recording, you can press this button, it will stop. And if you wanna play, just press it again. As you can see, right there is pause, is not recording, and once again it's recording. If you wanna stop the recording, you just press this button and it's saved the recording, which is really nice, very practical to use, very easy to use. And you also get the manual with all the explanation of how to use it, how to move across the menu, which is really nice. And as you've seen, it's a really practical device, really small. You can have it with you or to your interview. You can use it like this to when you're interviewing someone, which is really nice and very practical to have one of these voice recordings. So it's a really nice product and I really recommend it. See ya!